So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at another of the Elementor best kept secrets, which is the Finder panel. You may not even know it exists, but once you do, it's a huge aid to productivity because it enables you to bounce around between WordPress settings, menus, Elementor functions, settings, templates, etc., all in one click. So typically, if you were working in an editor, in the Elementor editor, and remembered you want to add something to a WordPress menu, you'd have to go up here, you'd have to exit to the WordPress dashboard, you'd have to go and find appearance, menus, and all that kind of stuff. The Finder panel makes it all so much easier. To access the Finder panel is simply Ctrl+E on the keyboard or Command-E if you're on a Mac, and you get this Finder window, typical kind of search window, and it says type to find anything in Elementor. If you just put a space in here, it will actually go and evaluate and list all of the things that you have access to. For instance, we have all of our templates, we've got all of our pages, we would also have some posts in here if we had them, loop items, archives, containers, etc., etc. We also have direct access to save templates, system info, role manager, all of the things that exist within Elementor settings and Elementor tools, a kit library, pop-ups we can access directly from here. So again, if you're working in editor and thought I want to create a pop-up, you typically exit to the WordPress dashboard, you'd go Elementor templates, pop-ups, etc., etc., and you would eventually get there. The Finder window makes all that much more accessible. You've also got the ability to add new page template, add new section, containers, posts, a whole heap of add new. Everything, in fact, available. Plus, you can also go to the home page directly or the dashboard, and here you've got all the WordPress things like menus, themes, the customizer. You can go direct to your plugins from here, users, apps. You've got all your general settings in WordPress. Everything comes out here. And then the Elementor tools, you've got direct access to replace URL, maintenance mode, import, export, and version control. So literally anything you could want, you can leap to, you can teleport to directly from here. So let's have a little look at playing one of those out. So Control-E to access the Finder, and let's just do menus, and we can see here, here's our WordPress menus. I can go direct to there. It's always a good idea to save what you're working on in the editor, or you will get a reminder. And I'm now directly in the menu editor, so I can do anything I want here, usual kind of WordPress stuff. Just remove that because I don't really want that in my menu. So when I finished editing the menu, I want to go back to the page, the Elementor page that I was editing, and this is one of the really cool things. The Finder panel also works inside the WordPress backend, so I can go Control-E, I'll just do pages because I can't remember what it's called. Here we go, this is the page I'm working on, and I can click it here to go direct to the editor, or press the eyeball here to view it. I'm going to go direct to the editor. It reminds me I haven't saved anything, so we'll do that. Like so. Quick slurp of coffee, if you don't mind. Okay, Control-E to bring back our Finder. Pages. Here's our page I was working on. Click here directly into the editor. Like so. And we're back where we were. Now, I'm sure you'll agree that that is a much quicker way of doing things. So get used to using the Finder. It really is a huge bonus when you look at all the things you can go to. And it literally saves dozens and dozens of key clicks and scrolling and trying to find settings in the WordPress dashboard. I could go to site settings. I could even go directly to Elementor's own knowledge base if I want to, straight from here, straight into the help function, which can be really useful as well. So there we go. That's the, let's go back to where I was. There we go. So that's the Finder window. I could spend ages talking about it, but the best thing you can do is just dive in, have a look, practice using it. Because once you've got used to using it, once you've got into the habit of using it instead of exit and all of those good things, then you will find it makes a lot of difference to your web creation productivity. It really is extremely useful. I can't emphasize that enough. Anyway, good luck, dive in, have a look, and thanks for watching.